As you can see in this heart-shaped bowl, there is a very sweet halwa. And before eating the halwa, I checked my sugar level. It is 91. And then I ate the whole bowl of this sweet halwa. And I waited for 1 hour and I checked my sugar level again. Now I have eaten this halwa. Okay, halwa is a tasty sweet dessert. It should raise my sugar levels. But as you can see, my sugar level reduced to 80. Have I eaten halwa or injected insulin? Assalamualaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma and today we will test this sweetener. It claims to be stevia. Stevia should reduce your blood sugar level, isn't it? Anyway, I am going to check this. This is powder form, this is drop form. So we will check whether this really is what it claims to be or whether there are some additives in it. And in fact, you can test any sweetener or any food for that matter by this method. Spoiler alert, this stevia is wonderful and we have it in our clinic also. Okay, to make this halwa, we need fresh turmeric. Add the turmeric to the blender and add coconut milk. You can make fresh coconut milk at home, or if you're using canned, make sure it is BPA free can. Now add some vanilla essence and the sweetener of choice. I added about a tablespoon of this sweetener, which frankly made the halwa very sweet, but I wanted to check this sweetener. And even if you are not using this sweetener, I'll tell you how to check whatever sweetener you're using, whether it is good for your health, whether it will help you in diabetes or not, it is good for weight loss or not. Anyway, blend the whole thing together and now set it aside. Now in your grinder machine, grind up your almonds. If you have almond flour, you can use that also. Now in your pan, add some desi ghee and add some cardamom pods to it. And once you smell the cardamom pods and they start crackling, now is the time to add the turmeric coconut milk mixture that we made. Now keep stirring till the water level has reduced and the oil has separated out from the milk mixture. So now is the time to add the almonds that we ground up. After adding almonds, add the khopra, which is desiccated coconut. Now mix it well and stir it for about 15 more minutes till your halwa is done. Now serve this warm halwa with some chopped almonds or decoration of your choice. But if you are a diabetic, you need to check your food whether it's gonna make you healthy or it's gonna make you sicker. So the easy and very personalized way is to check your sugar level before eating your food. See, I'm not diabetic, but I'm just pricking my fingers and making this video just to show you how you can test your food for yourself. And I've made many such videos on the topic of diabetes and weight loss because I want all the best for my patients. Anyway, to check anything that is eatable, you have to check your sugar levels 1 hour after eating it, and to check anything drinkable, you have to check your sugar levels half an hour after that, because for eatables it takes 1 hour to reach the maximum level. For drinkables it takes half an hour to reach the maximum sugar level. After that it's gonna decline anyway. And for the food to be labeled safe for diabetics, it should not raise your blood sugar level more than 10 to 20 units. If it raises your blood sugar levels by 10 to 20 units, it is safe to eat in diabetes. It will not hurt you. If it raises more than 10 to 20 units, it is a harmful food. Do not eat that food. But as you can see, this halwa with this sweetener actually reduced my sugar levels. So this is excellent not only for diabetics, it is also excellent for anyone who wants to lose weight and they are doing therapeutic fasting. You can take this halwa in your fast also. I would just add, you don't have to prick yourself every time before you eat food. Once you find this food is safe for you, now you're good to go. Now you don't have to prick yourself again and again. Anyway, stevia is a plant which has loads of other benefits other than weight loss and sugar control. It basically improves the memory and it's wonderful for bone and teeth health. Anyway, this halwa has benefits more than weight loss and controlling diabetes. It is a huge anti-inflammatory halwa because of the turmeric. Turmeric is wonderful for anyone who has long-standing diseases like bone pains, like autoimmune diseases. So this is a wonderful addition to your diet. Let me know in the comment section below which sweetener you use and have you checked your sweetener this way or not. Anyway, take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.